Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, and hello to everyone. So today we have made here spiciest mushroom pasta. So let's taste it first. I've tasted it and it was really outstanding. So let's start making it. So in vegetables, I've taken here 4 capsicums, 1 whole cabbage, 5 medium size of tomatoes, and 7 to 8 green onions. I've sliced it up. Now heat up the oil and add ginger garlic paste. I'm adding here 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry it, and then we're gonna add some spices like cumin, red chili powder, coriander powder. They are like 1 teaspoon. Now mix it up, fry it. Now add salt to taste, mix it, and now we're gonna add chili flakes. It's about half teaspoon. Now add soy sauce, which is about 4 to 5 teaspoons, and chili sauce, also 4 to 5 tablespoons. Now cook it for 1 minute. Now add our sliced tomatoes. Now mix it, and we have to cook it until the tomatoes get some soft. Now cover it up. So after 1 minute, it's soft now. Now we're gonna add the chicken. I've taken here 500 grams of boneless chicken. Now we have to cook the chicken for 2 minutes. Cover it up. Cook it on a medium flame. Now add the white part of the green onions. Mix it. Now after 1 minute, we're gonna add our cabbage. So here I'm using tin pack mushrooms. So we're gonna add here some capsicum first. Now mushrooms. Mix them all. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of black pepper powder. If you don't want so spicy, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Now add soy sauce. Again, chili sauce, red chili flakes, and ketchup. Now we're gonna add our boiled spaghettis. I've taken here 550 grams of spaghetti. Mix the whole pasta. Now we're gonna add green chilies, it's sliced, and now add the green onions and some olives. Here I'm using Italian seasoning, which is all the things: basil, black pepper, chili flake, garlic powder, oregano, and parsley. So you don't have to add everything separately, just sprinkle it up at the end. And now enjoy your pasta. It's ready to serve. Serve it hot and share your experience in the comment section below. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.